Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know about data entry, step by step. If you're a beginner looking to start freelancing, work from home, or earn money online doing simple data entry jobs, this tutorial is for you. We'll go through what data entry actually is, the tools you'll need, how to practice data entry, how to find real jobs, and how to improve your typing speed and accuracy. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your first data entry job. So first things first, what exactly is data entry? Data entry means collecting, organizing, and typing information into a computer or online system. It can be anything from entering customer data into Excel, typing handwritten documents into Word, copying data from PDFs to spreadsheets, or uploading product information to a website. It's simple work, but it requires attention to detail, accuracy, and consistency. There are two main types of data entry: offline and online. Offline data entry means working on Excel, Word, or databases without an internet connection. Online data entry means entering data directly into websites or online systems. You don't need a degree for data entry, but you do need some basic skills. You need to be good at typing. Aim for at least 40 to 50 words per minute. You need to be accurate, because even a small mistake can cause problems. You should know how to use Microsoft Excel, Word, Google Sheets, and Google Docs. You'll also need time management skills, because clients usually give you a deadline. And finally, a basic understanding of English helps, because most of the instructions and documents are in English. If you don't have these skills yet, don't worry. You can easily learn and practice them. Now, let's look at the tools you'll need. You'll need a computer or laptop, a stable internet connection, and some office software. That includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or their free alternatives, Google Docs and Google Sheets. You'll also need a PDF reader or converter like Adobe Acrobat or Small PDF. And finally, use a typing practice website like typingtest.com or 10 Fast Fingers to improve your speed and accuracy. Now let's talk about where to find data entry jobs. The best websites for beginners are Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, Clickworker, Microworkers, and Remotasks. On Upwork or Fiverr, create a profile that clearly says you offer fast and accurate data entry services. Upload a few samples of your work, even if they're practice projects. This helps build trust with clients. Now, let's talk about typing improvement. Your typing speed and accuracy directly affect how much you can earn. Practice every day on sites like 10 Fast Fingers, Keybar, or Typing Test. Spend just 20 minutes a day. In 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice a big improvement. Try to use all 10 fingers and maintain the correct posture when typing. It will help you type faster and with less strain. The more efficient and reliable you become, the more you can charge per project or per hour. Some freelancers start at $5 per job and grow to earn hundreds every month with experience. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I'll be sharing more tutorials on freelancing, online jobs, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.